Today we'll go through the solid principle. It's a basic OOPS concept and we all must know about this. Solid is an acronym which each letter has one meaning of it. S means single responsibility principle, O is a open closed principle, L is a Liskov substitution principle, I is a interface segregation, D means dependency inversion principle. Why we need this solid principle? Because it's easy to maintain, avoid duplicate code, easy to understand, flexible and reduced complexity. We must all use this principle while our coding. We'll go through each and every principle one by one. Today we'll start with the single responsibility principle. What is the single responsibility principle? Single responsibility means a class must have only one reason to change. Let's suppose you have a class marker which has an attribute name, color, price, and you want to calculate the total of the price based on the price multiplication with the quantity. If the marker price is a 10 rupees and you purchased a two quantity, then the total price would be 20 rupees, and you want to save into the database. So we have a one method which is the save to the db. Then there is a, if someone is want to the uh, invoice of that print, then we have a one more method which is the print invoice. But here you can see this class invoice has three reasons to change. Let's suppose tomorrow if someone wants to change the price or give the some discount, or want to add the GST in their calculation, then we'll have to update this calculate total method. And because of that we have to change this entire class, which is somehow breaking the rule of this principle. This is not the single responsibility, because our principle says class has only one reason to change. But here, if we want to change the calculation, we have to change it. If we want to change tomorrow, if we want to update some database, then we have to update the db as well. And later someone is want to change the some print invoice method, then just to update this method we have to update the entire class. So instead of changing the one reason to change, we have a three reason here to change our class. So this is breaking. How can we make it this class to be a single responsibility? So to make or to update our class to follow this principle, we'll just break our responsibility into the two classes. Like first I have created an invoice DAO where we just store the database related things. And if someone is one and for the printer there is a one more another class which is the invoice printer. So tomorrow if someone just want to update the db, then they have to update this class only. These two classes, invoice printer and the invoice, would is the same only. If someone is want to change the calculation, so only we have to update this class, not these two classes. So now this code says that the every class has only one reason to change, and it's follow the single responsibility principle. So we can say it's easy to maintain, and it's avoiding the duplicate codes, and also it's easy to understand. So this is what the single responsibility principle. Hope you understand. Thank you.